Hi everyone, my name is Lindy and welcome back to my channel, The Yellow Rose Craft Room. I wanted to get on and share. I just learned how to make these cute pocket envelopes. I am doing a craft exchange. It's called a spring booklet, spring tag booklet. I already have a partner and we're going to make 8 of these into like a book, and I learned how to make these and I wanted to show you all how I make these in case you want to do it as well. You're going to need this. This is a, We Are Memory Keepers. This is an envelope punch board. It comes with a bone folder. I got this on eBay for only, I think, 10 bucks. I don't know how expensive they are at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, but I thought $10 was a good deal, so I purchased it. It was brand new, never been used. You are going to need some cardstock, and I'm using purple for all the folder holders. And so I don't have any cut already, so I want to do that on camera. I have my Cricut trimmer, which I use for everything, and it's going to have to be cut 7.5 by 7.5. So what you're going to do is just take a piece of cardstock, and I'm going to put it in here by 7.5. Line it up, right, like so. And then turn it around and cut it this way by 7.5. Let's see. Cut. So then I have my 7.5 by 7.5 paper. Now people can do like multiple of these at a time, but I cannot because I'm anal about it, and if this one's not perfect, I can't work on multiple. So I'm very slow when it comes to this. I need to make 8 of these, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do them 8 on camera. I just wanted to show you how I make these envelopes with this envelope holder. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it in here, and you're going to score it at 3. So you're going to match it up to these numbers. It says 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here's the 3 mark. You're going to match it up to 3. You're going to hole punch it, just a little curve thing, and you're going to score it. So all you're going to do is literally turn it. You're not going to worry about the numbers anymore. You're just going to match it up to this, hole punch it, and score it. Same thing, you're going to turn it, match it up, hole punch it, score it. People can do this really fast. I don't know how they do it because I cannot. You need to match it up to this line right here, hole punch it, and score it. Okay, so when you look at it, this to the side, look, here's the final result. Kind of looks like this. This is what your paper needs to look like. So then what I'm going to do is, see how these are sharp edges? I'm going to turn this around because it has a reverse punch. You're just going to round off the edges. See how it just randomly like rounded off the edges right there? So this is done for now. I'll move all my scraps. And what you're going to do is you're just going to go in and fold your sides. So all my sides are in. So I want to make a pocket. I don't want to make an envelope, because if I made an envelope, it would look like this. Be cute for some like letters and stuff. How cute is that? Just makes a perfect little envelope. But I don't want to make an envelope. I want to make a pocket. Excuse me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim off this top little side right here on my paper trimmer. Just going to line it up with the markings. And I'm going just to trim it off. There we go. Throw this away. And there is our pocket. Now what you're going to do is you want to glue this down. And I didn't put the lid on my tacky glue, which was not smart, Wendy. Not smart. So what I do is I take my Cricut tool when I forget, which I forget often, and I just dig out the old glue. There we go. This tool is used for many things. Okay. So what you want to do, just want to make sure I got it all, which is open. What you want to do is you want to glue the flaps down, but you want to be careful because you don't want to glue inside here, or when you try to put your tag in, it's not going to go anywhere. So what you want to do is you want to glue, just put a little bit of glue here, just to glue this side down right here. So get my glue. That down. I want to hold it down for a few minutes so it stays. I usually just do this. And my scraps I'm going to use on my tags. That's what I always do. To always move my stuff to the side. So that's down. Then you want to come over and you want to be careful again not to get any glue in here. So you can put some glue here, some glue over here, and around. So take your glue, a little bit here, a little bit here, here. See, I wasn't even paying attention to what I was doing. I went too far. Too far, but it's okay. It just comes right off. If you have any excess glue, just wipe it off. I'm looking for my... I usually have like a rag in here I use for like glue, but this works just as well. Excuse me, I was sick for a couple weeks in February, March, and I got better, and now I'm sick again. So, stupid, crazy Texas weather. Okay, so it's still really wet. And look, they match up. This one's a little fatter, but it's okay. No worries. So here is my envelope. And a tag will fit perfectly inside. And I want to make 8 of these. But I don't think I'm going to do that on camera. But I just wanted to get on and share with you how to make these tags. Like I said, if you want to do this, make like a spring tag booklet. You can use a scoreboard. I'm sure it does the same thing. But I have this envelope punch board by Memory Keepers. And it has like all these different card sizes you could do, which I think is so cool. So, like, I have a bunch of, let's see, 5x7 papers. This thing is so cool. You scored at 4. And I really haven't played with this a lot. Like I said, it's like literally my second time to use it. So I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to put a little bit more glue over here because it doesn't seem to want to stick. And here we go. So hope everybody enjoyed my envelope video. This is so cool. This would be really cute for like friend mail. You make your own envelopes at home. But I'm just doing these for a tag booklet. So I'm going to make 8 of these. And then I'll probably get on once these are done and show you my tags, why I decorate them, and put the book together. So hope everyone has a great Sunday, and I have more videos for you coming soon. I've been incredibly busy with work and being sick. I haven't been wanting to craft, and I've been reading a lot because I've been in a reading slump. I don't know what my deal is because I've never been in a reading slump before, and I've been trying to get through this book, which I finally made it to chapter 5, and it took like 3 months to get it to chapter 5. So I'm trying to finish my first psychological thriller. So there's that. And anyways, I'm blabbing, so I need to go. So hope everyone has a great Sunday, and God bless you all.